all, I will explain the points wise, and then I will show those points on this diagram. So first one, what is the first point? Object always taken on left side of the mirror. So object taken on
left side of the mirror.
Left side of mirror. Always you need to take object taken on left side of the mirror. Always you need to take the object. See here, this is the mirror. This is the right side. This is the left side. So you need to take left side. This is the left side. That is the first point.
Okay.
So second point, distances. All the distances measure from the pole point down. If you want to calculate any distance, you need to take the origin point to calculate the distance is pole point. So all distances measure from pole point. So I can't write completely. Because, already, if you want, I will send those points to you. So if you want to measure any distance, all the distance are measured from the pole point. First of all, object is considered at left side of the mirror, and second point, if you want to measure any distance, the origin point is pole. From pole only you can measure the distances. All distances measured from the pole point only. Clear? Next one.
Yes.
So the distances actually travel along the ray of light is taken as negative. Sorry, positive. The distances travel in the direction of light. So in direction of light, the distances travel in direction of light are taken as positive. And opposite to the direction of light. For suppose light is moving in this direction. So if you take the distances along this one, the distance is positive. If you take distances opposite to this light ray, so those distances can be. So the distances actually travel in the direction of light are taken as positive, and opposite to the direction of light are taken as negative. Clear? I mean opposite direction. The distances are negative. That is the third point. Clear? That means on this diagram, how we can show what is the first point? All the distances measured in direction of light means, see, this is the direction of light. So just wait. See, this is the direction of light ray. So direction of light. So then, if you want to measure the distances, what about distances? So this is the direction of light. So distances along this are positive, and here also, see, here also it is a positive distance. Why we can take here positive distance? This direction and this light direction both are similar or not?
Yes, sir.
So we can take positive distance. Or this point we can represent in another manner. How the distances in front of mirror are negative, and the distances behind the mirror are in front are positive and behind. All the distances above principal axis. Above principal axis, the distances above principal axis are taken as positive. So for suppose here, this is the principal axis, right? The distances above principal axis taken as positive. Understood? Right? Here if you take these distances, it is negative or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay, na? So the distances above the principal axis are taken as positive value, and the distances below the negative, below the principal axis is taken as negative. That means if anything above principal axis, that is value is positive. If it is 20, then the height of the object is given to you 20. Then height of the object we can take positive. If below, sometimes we are getting the image in below the principal axis. At that time, it is taken as negative value. Clear? So next one. Enough 4 points. 4 points only. Understood these 4 points. So these are very, very important.